Kami no, sa akin buo na yung ulo. Bira ka, hindi na
Look at these beautiful ladies. What are you guys eating?
We're eating balot. Balut.
Balut?
Peel off the shell. Look, she's eating. She's
Those
eating
are the legs of
the chick. She's eating that because she's brave.
buo na siya.
Oh.
Oh, nasty.
Oh, that's the chick.
Oh my god.
Look at the legs.
Oh,
And then what?
it's like an ostrich without a
And then wash.
without head.
Whoa, are you guys even human?
Oh, look at this. What's that? It's balat niya.
Yeah, that's Min. She gave it to her friend. Yeah.
Ay, baby ba po? Yung kay Chris may nakadrawing na mukha.
And they are enjoying it. You guys are not human. I don't believe you're human. Ah.
Ito Wayne, want some? Like, grabe dinurog mo yun naman loob.
My wife is giving me the chick. She doesn't want the chick.
You put salt in the balut. On the balut. At the balut.
By the balut. Oh.
Lahat na ng proposition.
Pa-record ka daw ba talaga?
And it's... Ay, patay mag-off. Paano pinapatay yung ano?
Dito lang po pa.
Dito rin.